Hi guys! Today I want to show you how you can create a wreath or a circular pattern with just one stamp like this one and our good friend the Stamparatus. Now this is not something that I invented. I just followed the directions from somebody in the UK and she showed how to make a template. So let me get this out of my Stamparatus quick. I will link her YouTube video to this one so you can see that. I used a piece of acetate and I created a pattern in 3 different sizes on there. The biggest one in green will cover something like this, which is a 4-inch square. Then the brown one is 3 inches, it's what I have on the card, and then the smallest one is 2.5 inches and could be this small. So it still worked with this one image, but I just made a couple different sizes and you know, figured some of them will work for me and others maybe not, and then I could always make a new one. But it's versatile enough that I can use it for several different card layouts. When I drew on here, I used the Stampin' Blends, and I wrote on here front, because what I will do is I'll flip it over so my marked lines will be underneath and protected, so if I have to clean up here, I will not wipe it off. So to do the wreath that I have on the card, I'm gonna put my piece of acetate in the Stamparatus. I'm gonna have it held in place with one magnet, and then I'm gonna put my one magnet down here. I have the piece of cardstock that is 3 inches in square, and I'm going to put it inside my brown lines, and I don't know if you can see it really well on the video. I think you can, so I don't have to zoom in. So I'm gonna hold it in place with one magnet down here, and then I'm going to put my branch on there. So hopefully that works the same way that I did earlier. So I'm gonna put my flap onto it and pick up the stamp, and then we're going to stamp like we always do. We'll just put something underneath. This time I'm using a notepad. I'm gonna use my Memento ink and stamp once. So now I'm going to rotate it 2 clicks. So not on that corner, but on the next corner, to get the wreath that I have on the card. And I'm going to show you a difference later if you just rotate it 1 click. It will make a much more busy pattern. We're just going to continue that. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and ink it up again, and my last one, 1 and 2, and there we go, got this completed. So this is the wreath when I'm rotating 2 times. If I'm rotating just once, it will overstamp on that little piece quite a bit, and it's pretty busy, but still I think can be cute. Now when I did the large one, I rotated once at a time and it didn't overlap quite as much. You can always put some flowers in the places that are a little bit busier, but I think it's still pretty cool. So what you think about this? Leave me some comments, share the video. It would be awesome if it travels around and people can learn how to make a wreath like that. And like I said, I'm going to link the how-to video on how to make the template too. Have a great day!